I'm lowering. Imagine there's a spring from the knee to the floor. I also am imagining that there's a spring from my sits bone to my heel, so that the ends of those movements, the way the joints are interacting with each other, the way the joints are interacting with the floor, all have that little bit of resistance and spring at the very end. And that is, that can be applied no matter what movement you're doing. It's a textural feeling that I think then makes you move differently. So I will take that slide and I'm just going to soften the knee down and soften the hip down. Let me see if I can do that one more time. I'll just move through it a bit more. Let's look at that also in a plank roll, just the end part of a plank roll. So if I'm in my plank here and I'm lowering, I have the first opportunity to get the elbow down to the floor with a spring at the very end, and then to get the shoulder down to the floor with that resisted spring at the very end before I roll onto my back. I literally visualize that spring sometimes to help me out. Also, if I feel like I'm getting really bony into the floor, I will try to pour texture into it and see if then just my body naturally changes.